Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fish in Heartopia. So make sure you have the fishing rod ready. It's on the third quest, I think. So you're going to want to have this fish icon on top of the shadow, on the fish shadow. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to do. Then you're going to press F. And you will be able to see when the line gets red, you need to let go of the F or else it's going to break. So just press F, release, press F, release, press F, release until you get the fish. And that's pretty much it really. I was very confused on how to fish just now, but you just need to see the fishing line there. Here, I'll do another example. Oh. Okay, it needs to really be on the shadow, which is very annoying. Stop moving! There. Here, I'll show it to you again. Oh my gosh, am I even on the shadow? Oh, I was! Oh. There, let's try again. Just wait for the fish to turn. Be patient, not like me. Come on. There we go. And then press F, release, press F until the line gets red, release, or else it's going to break. F, release, F. Ooh. And that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!